Hello, everybody. Some fabulous speakers we've had in the past 3 weeks. And I have to begin with saying that I'm really going to miss this platform because it's become a part of my routine for the past 3 weeks. So I'm Lavanya Goradia. I'm a principal architect and a director of Studio Alia Projects Private Limited. I also co-direct one more company which has health-based products called Health Stall Services Private Limited. And I also happen to be a professor in architecture and design, and I teach at a couple of colleges. So at Studio Alia Projects Private Limited, we've been for the past 18 years, passionately building, designing buildings in the urban that are in sync with nature, because we saw that as the biggest issue or the biggest problem. And our conscious attempt has been in developing a sustainable system and practices that allows for more architects and engineers to embrace alternative approaches to building, environment, basically shelter design. So, now to come to why Bringle and my experience with Bringle. Just in the beginning of the lockdown, this was at the very initial days that I was feeling extremely disheartened by how the business was going to really suffer because of this situation. We have a huge number of labor community dependent on us, more than about 200 people. And Money invited me to this conference on Pringle's platform. And I have to admit that I have been hooked from the very one day. So thank you so much for that. A lot of insight that has drawn in every single day for me into marketing, into human resource policies, into management, into digital interface, and into looking at sustainability itself for businesses, right? So there have been such amazing shares by Joy Abdullah and Edward Zia and Venkatesh Srinivasan's, their insights into customer delight and how is it that you can, bring that added value to the customers, because that again helped us reflect back onto what we were doing. What stood out for me is these amazing, speakers every single day that I got to listen to, knowing well that each one is an entrepreneur themselves and had so much insight to share openly on a platform like this, with their hearts open. Because it's this generosity of this conference, of these intelligent people that has had me, absolutely tuned in every single day. Some of the speakers that I have to highlight and that have left a mark in my memory is Mr. Ketan Mehta, Narendra Shamshuka Chakor Gandhi on value creation, when we were discussing about that, and also looking at, sustainability of businesses in parallel as to how is it, do we focus on just one aspect and make it our absolute core strength, or allow ourselves to diversify? And in what way, if we diversify, how is it that you can look at it from a very innovative angle? That is also one of the reasons, and with the help from Money, that we were able to initiate our online workshops in sustainability. And I must tell you, I have had to repeat the session twice. With these sessions that we've had, we had more than 100 people registering for the workshop in a matter of 2 days. We did not even expect 15 people because we did it at a very short notice, not knowing what will be the kind of feedback we will get. And it was inspired by this platform that I am on every single day, So we had to repeat it, and we've had more than 200 registrations, and I just finished one, and the feedback of, the positive feedback is just flowing right now. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't even enough time to be able to finish telling all of you. So there is so much more that we're going to add on in terms of value, and all of so much value that we've taken away from this platform. I am extremely grateful, and thank you so much, Money, for inviting me over. And you guys, like Rajeshri, Charu, Suchi, Devaspati, Sridevi, we already know each other. When you guys have become, Sharmila, we've become like families. At what I feel like you guys are friends, and these are connections that will be there for life. So thank you so much.